I'm Jeremy Applebaum from the Kansas City metropolitan area. My #1 tip for new realtors in 2020 is to go deep into your sphere. What's a sphere? A sphere is anybody you know from any part of your life. It could be the person that cuts your hair, the person that mows your lawn, the person that paints your house. When we started our business, we went deep with our sphere by making sure everybody knew that we were in the business and we added value. We weren't necessarily letting them know we were looking for business. We were offering ways that we could help them around their home, letting them know what their home was worth, how they could improve it, and just making sure that we were adding that additional layer of value. So what I would say is if you're new to the business, go out, engage with that sphere, make sure you're handwriting birthday cards, handwriting anniversary cards, letting them know that you're really excited and happy they had a baby. Just go all in with your sphere, because the people you know that love and trust you, they're the ones that are going to work with you and refer you to others. In 2020, we're focused in our business on really improving our systems. So we've added a buyer's agent for the first time ever, and we need to make sure that we can track all of our calls, all of our leads, our conversion rates, our appointments, and making sure that the money we're putting into our lead generation, and quite frankly anything, whether it's a postcard, whether it's a client event, which we don't even call client events anymore, we need to know that we're tracking and measuring all of those and putting everything into a system so that we can be certain that Stacy, our buyer's agent, is geared up to convert those leads at a high level and help us grow our business. So 2020 is all about systems and growth through systems.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.